Hello friends, hola amigos, another Sinosmart video. A question that I got a couple of times the last days, and this is about CarPlay. Welcome to this new video. So default, you don't get CarPlay installed on the unit, you have to install the application yourself. But therefore we have to go to the Doofun application. But for the Doofun application we have to create a hotspot first. So let's go to the phone. So let's activate the hotspot. And it's connecting. Okay. And there it is. We can skip the intro. It's like the Play Store with some applications that they advise to install on the unit. So you can go to classification, and here you can see the T-Link. So you need to install the T-Link application in order to have CarPlay or Android Auto. It's already installed. You can also find this application in the Play Store itself, by the way. And then as soon as you have this application installed, you get this starting screen. You can see it's for CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see some settings. So for left driver position or right hand drive. But normally you won't have to do anything in this screen. All the default settings are just fine. And then the next thing you have to do is go to your telephone and go to the Bluetooth menu. So here you can see there's no connection with the CarKit link, and that's because I just turn off my Bluetooth. So I just broke my hotspot, but that's no problem. Bluetooth is connected. Now when I connect my phone to Bluetooth, it should automatically go to CarPlay. And there you go. This is a one-time operation. All the other times you will have an automatic connection. As soon as you start the car, you will see the black startup screen and it switches automatically to CarPlay. On your phone you also have CarPlay settings. You can see the car that's connected. You can choose the apps that are showed on the screen and the position. So you can simply switch, like imagine I want to switch Waze and Easy Park. I can simply switch them around and now you can see they swapped. Another cool feature is the widgets. So you can see the widgets that are available. That's a new feature in iOS 26. So these are the widgets. So I can control my Nuki from here. Now let's say I don't want to have my agenda, but I want another application. You can only add 5 widgets here. So let's say I want to add this widget. There you go. Now a little trick that I want to share. Waze does show in a dark color automatically at nighttime and switches back to the day vision with the bright colors. But therefore you have to go to the settings. Let's just switch back to the main menu. We have to go to settings, display, and the brightness mode you have to set to daytime. If you set to auto, Waze will always stay in dark mode and you have to switch manually. If you set it to day, strange enough, Waze will adapt itself and it will switch from dark to light mode automatically. Now if you like this specific screen, please check out my video about the car launcher, where I also share the link in the video description. If you like the screen and you don't have this nice Sinosmart screen yet, please check out my links in the video description. It's the last biggest sale of this year for Black Friday, so pick up those codes and order yourself a unit for the best price. If you mention my code to the seller, you will even get the DAB Plus adapter and the Fakra cables for free. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.